Hi everyone. All right, I'm going to talk about the final lesson in the usage worksheet, lesson 3. So make sure, look in the top right hand corner that you see lesson 3 on your worksheet. Lesson 3 is similar to lesson 1 and 2. So we are going to get two words within the parentheses and you have to circle or underline the correct word. This time we're going to use verbs. Okay, so if we look at our rule, it says in a sentence, the verb must agree with the subject. Use a singular verb with a singular subject. Use a plural verb with a plural subject. Okay, so you look at what the subject is. If it's one thing or one person, then your verb has to match with that. If it's more than one subject or more than one thing, then the verb also has to be plural. This time, instead of a short passage, they gave our example, or they gave us practice within a poem. Okay, so in praise of catsup. Catsup adds zing to every meal, or catsup add zing to every meal. For seasoning perch, it is ideal, or it are ideal. It flavors beets, meats, and even fish, or it flavor beets, meats, and even fish. I find it's great on any dish. People has poured it on their steak, or people have poured it on their steak. One has smeared it on chocolate cake, or one have smeared it on chocolate cake. My uncle's likes it with rare roast beef, or my uncle's like it with rare roast beef. Mom squirts catsup to brush her teeth, or mom squirt catsup to brush her teeth. However you like it, morning or night, catsup, I find, is deliciously right. Catsup alone is simply delicious, or catsup alone are simply delicious. Eggs with catsup is very nutritious, or eggs with ketchup are very nutritious. Catsup and corn make a hearty soup. I give hot catsup to my Boy Scout troop, or I gives hot catsup to my Boy Scout troop. My cousin eats it on spaghetti noodles, or my cousin eat it on spaghetti noodles. Aunt Clara feeds it to her pet poodle, or Aunt Clara feed it to her pet poodles. Clowns have used it on their red noses, or clowns have used it on their red noses. One man has used it to fertilize roses, or one man have used it to fertilize roses. Catsup is the most incredible stuff. Catsup, catsup, catsup. There's never enough. Okay, that's the end of the poem, so if you want to go back and re-listen it, go ahead and do that. On the bottom of lesson 3 is the right idea. It says, if you have just served a meal to your family, write a paragraph telling what you made and how you prepared it. Be sure the verbs agree with the subject. Okay, so I suggest using some of the verbs that are within the passage already to write a paragraph to explain how you would serve a meal to your family using catsup. Okay, if you have any questions, please reach out. I am more than happy to schedule a way where I could work with you directly to complete these worksheets. Thank you.